Advanced Engineering is a family-owned business located in Austria. We're building machines and software for the PCB manufacturing and semiconductor industry, while our biggest focus being on peeling machines and being an all-in-one solution for big production manufacturers. Behind me you can see our newest product, the so-called cell system, which in this configuration consists of our in-house developed robot, which picks up the panels from a cart system and places those panels on our centering device, which is then going into the so-called peeler, and the last module is our buffer device. Special about this machine is its flexibility and modularity. This machine can be configured and those modules can be placed next to each other. And here is mention-worthy, the back-of MX system helps us, as in every module there is a standalone MX system which allows us to be much faster in the final assembly. And there is no need for the typical electrical planning anymore, but the whole bill of material is coming from the cut department, which saves a lot of time and decreases complexity. Also very important for us is the worldwide certification, and also that there is no need anymore for certified personnel to operate on the tool. Besides the back-of displays, mention-worthy for us is the combination of the back-of MX system and the back-of IP67 modules, which is a great combination because it allows us to further drill down our modules into sub-modules, which saves a lot of time because we can ramp up sub-modules on its own and save time on the final assembly with the help of those back-of IP67 modules. The very cool thing with back-of is our direct contact with every back-of employee. No matter which problem you're facing, you get help immediately, which we think is very unusual for that big of a company, and we are very thankful for having that kind of partnership.